Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. Well, today I have a very special guest with me, my sister Lois, and we're gonna be doing a 5-minute makeup challenge. So if you guys like to see us try out the 5-minute makeup challenge, then keep on watching. And we have a timer right here which we're gonna leave for 5 minutes, and we're gonna see if we can do our makeup in 5 minutes. What do you have to say, Lois?
First of all, let me get my hair off my face. I want to just tie my hair with this scarf, so I'll beat you to this makeup.
Ooh.
Although you're the professional, but I'm gonna win her.
I feel like you would win because I always take my time when it comes to do my makeup. So I don't know how this is gonna work. I did a 30-second makeup challenge before. I'm gonna leave a card here so you can check it out. That challenge was a total chaotic mess. So I don't really know how this one is going to be because it's kind of harder than the other one I did. While we are here, guys, Lois has a YouTube channel, and her YouTube channel is
Lulu Station. Please kindly go check out my channel and subscribe to my channel. Ignore this my head wrap. I don't know what's going on here, but just to get my hair off my face so that it's gonna be easy for me to do my makeup.
So guys, the challenge starts in 3, 2, 1, start.
So when I'm trying to do my makeup fast, I don't even bother to do all those priming, moisturizing and all that. I just go.
Can't find my beauty blender.
Sometimes I see, look at it there. I moisturize, sometimes I don't.
I didn't even carry a mirror.
What is here? Please God, everything is going to show the video because the time has already started. I wasted a lot of time just trying to remove hairs from my face.
So guys, Lulu, I say Lulu, Lois is not new on my channel. You have seen her on my sister tag video and also my song association video. We did a spicy noodle challenge video on her channel, but she has refused to post it. So
life of a content creator, sometimes you make videos and you just feel like it's not good enough and then you just delete it.
Yeah, so I'm still waiting on her to post this video because in the song association video we did, I was heavily promoting that video and she ended up not posting it.
So we're going to have a little bit of some unblended foundation, but yeah, you don't mind. After this makeup, I'll try to create a video on my channel, so you guys should go and check that video out. I'm going to be posting it, don't worry. So I'm going to conceal. I don't think the eyebrows are going to make it in this video. Oh Jesus, let me concealer. Oh no. Too much concealer.
Wow, this is just 2 minutes left.
What? Oh my god. I'm not concealed though.
You know what I was actually planning on doing? I was planning on concealing before my foundation, but it skipped my mind now. I'm moving in
to work.
I'm moving in full speed, guys. This is not even fast forward. This is how fast my hands are moving.
I can't be bothered. I know I'm lost.
Oh my god. 1 minute 58 seconds.
What the fuck, bro? Jesus Christ. Wow, this shit. I'm just going to try to look sensible.
Yeah.
By applying lipstick on.
Ooh.
What the fuck, man?
Ooh, 1 minute 23 seconds. just reminds me of when we're about to go to church and my mom is calling us like, you guys should better be ready. Before she starts going, so go into full mode. What am I doing now? Okay. I'm just gonna follow lipstick and do lipstick.
You don't want to lose.
Lipstick.
Oh my goodness. Just gonna set my face with it. Jesus.
Lipstick is not looking nice in the mirror. Okay, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna be bold, guys. Let me see how 28, 20 seconds. Let me put my eyeliner.
I'm just gonna take a powder. Take the powder.
On the floor.
It's not the floor, it's still there.
No, use the other
My
one.
powder.
Okay.
They took it. They broke my powder. And now I'll see the rubbish I have to
Oh,
time up. What the fuck?
Wow. Oh my god.
Wow, look a mess.
This is a. Let me stop it.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Let me just complete this part.
No, but stop it. This is the end. This is the end.
I want to use it for my video.
No, this is the end of the video.
I want to use it to
And when we're done with this video, we're going to analyze the face and see who won.
Okay, that's a lie.
Okay, I think I won.
I think I won.
I did. Okay, let's see. What steps did you do?
It's not about the steps. It's about the finished look.
Let's do Panachi. Let's do Panachi.
It's a lie.
You see, guys.
It's
So-
about the finished look. Guys, who would you pick if you saw outside? Like,
Who would you say, ooh, let's make up this bomb? Who?
oh, because you tried to wing your eyes. I have
Okay.
the mama's makeup on.
Mm-hmm.
My face is highlighted.
Mine too. You
Guys,
see,
please let us know in the comment section who won this makeup.
yeah, because I think I
I
won.
think I did.
I think
She
you
took my
won.
trend. She had to rub the lipstick.
I was actually trying to rub lipstick because the lipstick was right here, which I plan to use for the video.
Well, so guys, that's the end. Just
Yeah.
put us down below in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up
And
and subscribe to her channel and
Our
my
channel?
channel,
my channel is here. Her channel is
Lulu Station.
yeah. And guys, we are planning on creating a new channel.
Yeah.
Where we talk about TV shows, movies,
That we
reviews,
love.
and everything because we are TV shows fanatics. So the channel name will be
We're gonna let you guys know and
Yeah.
keep you posted when
Yeah.
it comes up.
so.
So till then, I'm gonna complete my whole makeup so I can film my video for my channel.
So I'm gonna wash this shit off.
My God.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, then I'm sure you're gonna enjoy my 10-minute makeup challenge, which I'm gonna put here. Can you I'm gonna put it here so you see all my challenge playlist and also my 10-minute makeup. Is it 10? My 30-second makeup challenge. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.